So today we officially hit our 8th winning trade in a row in the GBP/JPY/gold room. It's mostly been gold, the last 8 trades in particular, but 8 wins in a row. We are on fire. I made so much money just in the last few weeks, in the last few months, honestly, but the last few weeks have just been ridiculous. The room has been eating like crazy. 160 plus pips today, man. We hit a 1-8. A 1-8 RR was hit today. And this isn't even all of it. Let's go down to where it was. It's about right there. 1-8. So pretty crazy, pretty crazy. I want to go over this trade, kind of what I saw. If we look at the daily, we're at a high. We're at an extreme high. We're not at an all-time high, but we're at a very, very high point in the market. We did start to create a little bit of resistance in this area. You'll see it a little bit better on the smaller time frame, but we did create, again, resistance in this area. We'll go down to the 5-minute time frame, and you'll see a little bit better. But, again, we are at a high. Okay, that's the first thing that I had to look at and see to dictate, what type of trade I want to take today. So as we see, we're creating resistance. We kind of are in consolidation a little bit if you look at it. But we break out of that consolidation and we create bearish market structure, creating lower lows, lower highs. So we have a lower low and a lower high here. And all I really need to see is a breakout. You guys know I love to trade breakouts. That's all I trade within whatever market structure I'm looking at. In this case, it's the 5-minute. Now, again, you could look at it from a trend line perspective like this, right? Or you can even look at it from a simple support. Boom. You see what I'm saying? So now we have support. So when price breaks through that support, as it does in the next candle, we take our sell position. I'm all about risk to reward. Okay, so in this trade in particular, I'm looking for at least a 1-5. We end up catching a 1-8, but I'm looking for at least a 1-5. I have a very tight stop loss. If price does reverse up here, then to me it's probably a fake out. We're probably going to continue back to the upside. We have been very bullish on the daily overall, so I don't like to look at the daily for the trade in particular, but kind of like more so my mindset behind the trade. So again, 5-minute. Okay, you might even see a better example on the 1-minute. You'll see like an actual really sharp trend line, as you guys can see. We have a break of a support in this zone as well. We can draw that out. And the rest is really history. We take our trade, tight stop loss, and we pretty much let it play out. Now, as price is falling here, man, we get like halfway through, maybe at a 1-4 in this area. I'm going to put my stops to break even, or I'm going to even put my stops into profit. I'm going to trail my stops all the way down so I do not lose no matter what happens. It's a winning trade. Beautifully played out. 160 pips, man. A 1-8 risk to reward. Unbelievable. 8 wins in a row. We've really been killing it. Now, we can go to NASDAQ as well, just to show you guys kind of an update. As I've been telling you guys, we are very, very bullish. We're breaking above our 200-day moving average. I said my target is going to be in this zone. We are getting close to it. We're a little bit more than 50% on our way there. And we're just going. We're literally just going. No matter you look at the 4-hour, the 5-minute, it's just all beautiful. We're breaking above, and we are going. We cleared the channel, came back, retraced, rejected the channel, came up, broke above the 200-day moving average, came back to retrace, and now we're just kind of gone. So we'll see what happens. I do see us maybe pulling back for a little bit and continuing up, or maybe even pulling back all the way through and continuing to the downside for 2023. We'll see what happens, guys, but that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. And yeah, that's pretty much it.